Hello dear student, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question asked in NEET 2023, also PGI MER. The question is saying if the magnification capacity of the objective of a compound microscope is 8, so this is MO is given to us 8, and the magnification capacity of the eyepiece is 4, so ME is 4, then what will be the magnification capacity of the microscope? So magnification capacity of microscope M equal to minus MO into ME. Minus MO is given to us 8, ME is given to us 4, so 8 4 are 32, so M is 832 centimeter any. So A is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.